Imagine effortlessly crafting lead magnets that resonate with your target audience, guided by the expertise of marketing masters like Neil Patel and Anne Handley. This is the power of AI powered persona driven content creation. In this video, we're going to take a look at the new personas option when you create a new lead magnet with Lead Creator AI. Let's clarify what personas is and what it is not. So, what is it? It's inspiration, not copying. Using a persona means leveraging their communication style, tone, and strategy as a framework, but not copying their exact words or ideas. So, what is it? Tailored guidance. You direct the AI to emulate the persona's way of connecting with the audience, creating value and addressing pain points. This will ensure that your lead magnet is effective and relatable. And that's what we want, right? So, why is it valuable? Firstly, clarity of style and approach. A persona like Neil Patel brings clarity to how the AI should approach the content. For example, authoritative yet approachable, value packed and actionable. Secondly, audience alignment. Neil's persona typically focuses on entrepreneurs and marketers, ensuring content resonates with a similar audience you may be targeting. Thirdly, efficient communication. Referencing a persona provides a shortcut to understanding your desired tone, goals, and strategies, saving time and improving quality. Fourthly, proven framework. Personas like Neil Patel are based on strategies and tones that are proven to build trust and engage audiences effectively. So, let's take a look at how using a persona is different from copying. Copying is when you replicate exact phrases, strategies, or content, potentially lacking originality and authenticity. On the other hand, using a persona is where you channel the essence of their communication, how they build value, structure ideas, or connect with their audience, while ensuring your content remains unique and authentic. Let's take a look at the impact of a persona option on your AI tool, or in this case, the Lead Creator AI app. So, first of all, the AI tool can quickly adjust the output to fit the desired style or tone, making your lead magnet more aligned with your target audience. So it's customization at scale. Next, can provide a clear starting point without requiring you to reinvent the wheel when you're unsure how to structure or write. So it's inspiration without overwhelm. It's also possible to still maintain brand authenticity. I will show you when we go over to our Lead Creator app just now. So, although the AI is inspired from a well known persona, you can still infuse your unique ideas and branding, ensuring the final result is tailored to your voice and business. Alright, so let's head over to our Lead Creator app to see this feature in action. We are now on the dashboard of my Lead Creator app where we can create a lead magnet. If you'd like a deeper dive into how to create a lead magnet fast with Lead Creator AI, you can go over to this video that should pop up now on the top right hand side of your screen. Alright, so let's go ahead and create a lead magnet. We can enter the name of our lead magnet here. We can select a category and then we can choose a template. There's a lot of templates to choose from. I'll choose the 5-point listicle as I've done with the other examples. We can go over those now as well. And the prompt can be top compelling reasons why lead magnet is imperative for your marketing efforts. Include examples for coaches. Alright, and for a tutorial, you can click over here. So here is the new personas feature. Let's go ahead and choose this one. Marie Smith. If you don't know her, she is the top social media thought leader and strategist. Some call her the queen of Facebook. You will notice when you've chosen the option of personas, you won't be able to choose any tone, but that is normal as your persona will have their own tone and style. All right. Here you can go ahead and choose a point of view. For example, you, your, or yours, or third person, he, she, it, they, etc. You can choose to include the introduction or exclude it, or conclusion, include or exclude. Then you can come over here. You can list the words you do not want AI to use. I have, for example, chosen a few words to avoid when you use AI because these sounds a lot like the content is generated by AI. Right here you can choose your language and here you can choose the level of the reading level. All right. So then you can go on and create. There you go. The introduction goes something like this. In the bustling world of digital marketing, standing out and capturing your audience's attention is more crucial than ever. A lead magnet is your golden ticket to not only attract potential clients, but also to build a meaningful relationship with them. As a coach, your expertise is your currency, and a well crafted lead magnet can be. And then you can continue to read over here and a conclusion. In conclusion, a lead magnet is more than just a marketing tool. It's a bridge that connects you with your audience, builds trust, and showcases your experience, and so on. All right, so earlier I have actually entered the same prompt, the same template, etc., but with the difference that I didn't use any persona. All right, so now you can see the difference. This one says, in the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, capturing the attention of potential clients is more challenging than ever. As a coach, you need to stand out and offer something valuable that resonates with your audience. Enter the lead magnet, a powerful tool that not only attracts potential clients but also builds trust and establishes your authority in your niche. And then it lists the different points. In conclusion, a lead magnet is a vital tool in your marketing arsenal, offering numerous benefits that can elevate your coaching business. As you can see as we read through this is more generalized. Well, if we read through the one that we just used, the persona of Marie, you can see it's more, has the potential to connect more with your audience if you have a similar audience than hers. I've also done one, the same prompt, everything the same, but this time I've used the persona of Anne Hindley. So Anne Stone is conversational, witty, approachable, while also being insightful and authoritative. If you want to understand the tone of your personas, you can actually ask a tool, an AI tool like Gemini, Claude, or ChatGPT, or any of your favorite AI tools. So let's see this one. Why lead magnet is essential for your marketing efforts. Hey there, marketing maven. So, you're a coach and you're looking to sprinkle a little magic into your marketing strategy, right? Well, Let me introduce you to the unsung hero of the marketing world, the lead magnet. Think of it as the cheese to your marketing mousetrap. All right. Yeah, you can go through this. And in conclusion, a lead magnet is not just a nice to have, it's a must have in your marketing toolkit. Okay, so if you have the Lead Creator app, you can go in here, create your lead magnet, and play around with the different personas and see what it comes up with. So, with the making of this video, there's also an exciting new feature on its way. It was recently announced by Philip, one of the co-founders of Lead Creator AI, that Lead Logic Engine is on its way. It's a custom build upgrade that will redefine how you create lead magnets with Lead Creator. I will share more about this new feature as soon as the update is ready. But for now, just know you would be able to do much more and it will be more flexible than what is currently available. There will be place for your word count. You will be able to have a custom persona customized to your own brand and your own voice and lots more. You can also come over here, further redefine your headline. You can add some examples of your own to give it your own voice. You can add your own brand colors over here. You can make it your own color. For example, you can make it a highlight, your own color here. Make the font, for example, to look better here. You can make it white like that. Um, can make this so this doesn't look good. It's not from a designing point of view very well done, but it gives you an idea what is possible. You can add your own images in here. For example, you can come in here and add your own image. You can add and over here you can add or embed a booking app so that your clients can schedule a meeting or a session with you. So you can see the power of persona driven AI. It unlocks new ideas and approaches to content creation, fueling creativity. It generates content that resonates with your specific target audience. Precision targeting. It saves time and effort by providing a clear roadmap for content creation. Streamlined workflow. We are at the dawn of a new era of content creation. From basic text generation to sophisticated persona driven tools, unlocking a new level of customization and audience alignment, harnessing the power of AI to create compelling and effective content. So, are you ready to elevate your content strategy using Lead Creator AI? First, start with a persona. Select the persona that best aligns with your target audience. Next, draft your prompt. Use the persona's communication style and strategy to guide the AI. And then refine and customize. Ensure your content reflects your unique brand voice and messaging. If you go to onlinelaunchmaven.com/leadcreator, you will be able to sign up for it and get exclusive bonuses. For more in-depth reviews of Lead Creator, watch the videos that will be popping up on the end of your screen. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye bye.